Kente is colorful, adorable, and used at naming ceremonies, festivals, weddings. Even most of our presidents, when swearing in, use Kente.
Kente has lived with us over 100 years. Our chiefs, our kings put Kente on when they have to show in public. Again, today's youth would want to wear Kente for weddings, and
I am appealing to UNESCO to enlist craftsmanship of traditional woven textile, Kente, on representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity, because it is created by our forefathers. This is a traditional knowledge passed on from generation to generation. Identify us as Ghanaian and stand tall among all our textiles produced in Ghana.